function by substitution. In this problem here, which are given problem, solving by all problem of substitution are solving by in previous method of composite, but calculation which are long. If the any problem are given are using by substitution, the problem are simplify easily solve. Our calculation is very short, but these method are using, we are also known the standard trigonometric identities. Some standard trigonometric identities are well known. Then using this method, differentiation will be easy. If the problems are not think of substitution, then solving these questions are also by differentiation of composite functions or previous method. In previous lecture we can tell the differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. For example, dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Some standard result of inverse trigonometric functions are L. सभी स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इनवर्स फंक्शन की स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट आप लोगों को राइट डाउन कराया गया, रिमेंबर कराया गया, लर्न किया गया. तो सब्स्टिट्यूशन यूजिंग प्रॉब्लम में कंडीशनल प्रॉब्लम ये होते हैं कि मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम आपको इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन के रूप में गिवन होंगे. हियर जो गिवन प्रॉब्लम होता है उसमें हम लोग सम स्टैंडर्ड रिजल्ट बाय ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज से पुट करते हैं और वो किसी न किसी फार्मूले में, एक स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूले में अपडेट कर जाता है, विच आर डिपेंड्स ऑन थिंग्स. द सब्स्टिट्यूशन आर डिपेंड्स ऑन थिंग्स अकॉर्डिंग टू ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, solving. If y is equal to tan inverse, y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. Find dx of y. Given that y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x divided by sin x, then find the value of differential coefficients or dx of y. Here these questions or problems are solved by two methods. Number 1, these are solved the previous rule by composite functions, here tan inverse function. And second method is by simplification and substitution of trigonometric function, trigonometric identity or trigonometric values. Now we solve here, these problems are solved by substitution method. Solution: given that y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. In this method, the function are break, given function are break in bracket term in the form of tan inverse. Here these वैल्यू आर गिवन. प्रॉब्लम में जो वैल्यू यहाँ गिवन हो, हम लोग ट्राई करेंगे कि इस ब्रैकेट वाली वैल्यू इसी टर्म में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाए. देन y इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स 1 minus cos x. We know that the result of cos x फॉर्मूले में आप लोग रिमेंबर करते हैं. Here cos x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, which are trigonometric identities. R over cos x 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, or cos x is equal to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2, which are also known by trigonometric identities. In 11th class, which is also known as, remember of inverse trigonometric functions, we know that are known as well as if sine of sine inverse x is equal to x, or by sine inverse of sin x is equal to x. That formula, that result are also will be known. In this problem, here tan, sin, cos, tan are inverse and circular trigonometric functions are will be cancelled out. Also, that is, if tan inverse or tan x is equal to x, some result or standard will be noted down, or also remember and learn. सभी स्टूडेंट रिजल्ट 11th में इन क्लास ऑफ 11th बताया गया है, उसको आप रिमेंबर करिए. एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक के फर्स्ट चैप्टर इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन इन 12th में भी आपको स्टडी कराया जाएगा, बताया गया, एंड आल्सो नोन एज दीज रिजल्ट. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज रिजल्ट वी डिफरेंशिएट बाय सब्स्टिट्यूशन method. First, we will know as these form are break into tan inverse in the form of tan. First time हम लोगों का टारगेट होगा कि जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक इनवर्स फंक्शन गिवन हो, that values are solving in the process of these, we get in the form of tan. If here given sine, then these values solve in the form of sine. If the value of cos inverse, then these values solve in cos. Here problem are given the value of tan inverse, then we target these are solved are in the form of tan. Then we know that by this formula, using 1 minus 2 plus sine square x by 2, and also we know that 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2, which should formula trigonometric identity. Solving these we get tan inverse, 1 will be cancelled out, 2 will be cancelled out, sin 1 sin x by 2 will be cancelled out, remaining sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2, which is y equal to tan inverse tan x by 2. By inverse trigonometric functions, we know that y equal to x by 2 by these real. Differentiating it with respect to x, dx of y equal to 1 by 2 are constant, and differentiation of x is out of, and differentiation of x is 1. Solving these, we get dx of y equal to 1 by 2. That's all. Solve by this problem by trigonometric functions. Next problem. If y equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. Y equal to tan inverse 1 minus 1 plus cos x minus cos x, which are solved. Find dx of y. Here these problems are given. Solution: given that y equal to tan inverse in root of 1 plus cos x upon 1 minus cos x. Here, so demonstrating these problems, first we solving these values in the form of tan by previous question. We know that formula of cos x, y equal to tan inverse 1 plus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square x by 2. From the result of trigonometric identity, here we also know by taking the formula of cos x, 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. Taking, if 1 will be cancel out, हम लोग उसी फार्मूले को यूज करेंगे जिसमें इजीली 1 विल बी कैंसिल आउट, 1 कैंसिल आउट हो जाए. दैट इज y इक्वल टू tan inverse in root of 1 will be cancel out, 1 also will be cancel out. Here 2 will be cancel out. We get cos square x by 2 upon sin square x by 2. We get tan inverse root of cot square x by 2. Solving these, y equal to tan inverse cot x by 2. Here main target cot x by 2 are changed in tan. Y equal to tan inverse into tan of pi by 2 minus x by 2, because tan 90 minus theta or pi by 2 minus theta is known as cot theta. Or tan will be cancel out, we get y equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get dx of y equal to differentiation of pi by 2 or separate constant will be 0 minus difference 1 by 2 will be constant out of that, and differentiation of x is known as 1. Here result we get dx of y is equal to minus 1 by 2. That's all. Same conditions. Which are differentiation is known as differentiation of transformation or differentiation of substitutions. It is also solved. Next problem, if y is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square, then find the value of dy upon dx. Solution. Given that y is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Here we transform these functions in the form of tan, because tan inverse is a inverse trigonometric function. We know that the result of identity of trigonometry, tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. हम लोगों को ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज आल्सो नोन करना हो, और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज के हेल्प से ही हम लोग इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे इस फॉर्म में. हियर वी नो दैट the result of tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Here we show that or see that if put the value of in place of x or tan theta, put x is equal to tan theta or imply that find the value of theta tan inverse x, then y equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Here by this result tan 2 theta is equal to, we know that 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta, then that formula get. Here y is equal to tan inverse is known as tan 2 theta, tan will be cancelled out, we get y is equal to 2 theta, and also find the value of theta in above tan inverse x, put in these value tan inverse, so y is equal to 2 into tan inverse x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, dx of y is equal to 2 into dx of